Hey dolls, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is one that I have been wanting to do for so long. If you guys are anything like me, then you are obsessed with Snapchat. Snapchat for some reason has quickly become one of my favorite social media sites. I just feel like it's so much fun to interact with everyone that follows me, to see your faces, to ask you guys a question and then immediately get responses back. So it's a great way for me to communicate with you guys watching my videos and those of you that do follow me. So get your phones out, get your Snapchats ready, and let's go through these hacks. They're actually kind of genius, so stay tuned. We got the Snapchat. This is hack number one. This is one that I like to use all of the time. If you guys don't want to post in real time, like say you're out to dinner with your mom and your dad and you don't want everyone to know that you guys are at a specific location, but maybe you want to use their geo filter or something, what I always do is I just swipe up into my iPhone settings and then I just hit my phone into airplane mode. So once I take my Snapchat, I put the filters on that I want, I will throw it in airplane mode and then I'll just post it directly to my story. This way it stops it from going through and publishing to all of the people that follow you, but it's not going to be deleted. So once you finish having dinner with your parents, you can go ahead and tap on the post and it will load and post directly to your feed. That's one that I use all the time when I don't want people to know exactly where I am at the exact time, but I still want to share what's going on throughout my day. Have you ever wondered if someone follows you back on Snapchat, but like you don't know if they follow you at all? It's just kind of weird how you can't really see a true list of the people that follow you. So Snapchat's kind of unique in that sense that they have this Snapchat score. What the heck is a Snapchat score? Well, it's basically the score of how frequent you use your Snapchat app, how many snaps you get versus how many you actually open and reply to, and just a bunch of things in combination. I feel like people don't really know what the heck a Snapchat score is, but that's just a general idea. So if you can go through your contacts list and you just press and hold onto a user's name, you'll get like their profile pop up, and if it says their Snapchat screen name with a score next to it and you can see their score, that means that they follow you back. If it just says their username and there's no numbers behind it, they don't follow you. So I'm sorry to break the bad news. We all know that Snapchat is the queen of super cute filters, but sometimes they come along with annoying audio and you want to maybe use the filter to talk and you don't want to have that blasting music in the background overpowering your own voice. Like, do we really need this audio in the background? No, we don't. So all I do is I switch my phone into silent mode on vibrate. So when I play the filter, there's no audio and I can talk through it, and then I won't have an issue with me having to yell over top of the music that goes along with the super cute filter. So that's a super easy hack and a trick that you guys can use if you've never thought about that. I feel like it is a basic one, but you should know. If you don't know now, you know. Whenever I want to post something on Snapchat, but I don't want to put my face on Snap, but maybe I just want to do a little text, instead of having like a basic picture of, I don't know, the ceiling of my apartment, what I do is I open up the Snapchat app and I make sure that I have the back-facing camera on, and then I'll switch my Snapchat into flash mode, and I take my finger and I cover up the iPhone lens like this so you can kind of see that it just is my finger, right? So then I'll start recording and then I get a really cool effect, okay? So that'll be like my little background for the text that I want to go ahead and use. And it tends to always turn out to be orange and different like shades of orange and red in combination. So for me, this is like my favorite little background for text if I ever want to ask you guys a question or I have late night thoughts. This is what I do, but I also always switch it into mute because, I don't know, I don't need any extra audio in that. And then I can go in and type whatever it is that I want to type, and bam, that's how I get my little background. That's my little personal hack. Don't take all my secrets, but I felt like I had to share that one with you guys. Alexa, please play Plain Jane by A$AP Ferg.
Plain Jane by A$AP Ferg from Spotify.
Yes. Open up the app, press and hold.
Yeah. Ride with the mob, hamdulillah.
Love, 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 love. If you're ever out in a bar, you're out in a club, you're at your girlfriend's house, you're driving in the car, and a random song just comes on and you just need to know right then and there, like while you're taking your selfie, what that song is, just press and hold down on this screen and it will bring up the Shazam app through the Snapchat app, which is genius. You don't have to switch in between all of your apps on your phone, because I use Shazam all the time. I just hate listening to a song that I really love and I can't figure out what it is. It will drive me crazy, but that'll pop up on the camera if you guys can see that right here. Look at that It gives you all the info that you need. This next hack is one that I love. I love Boomerang. If you guys are familiar with Instagram stories, they have the integration of using Boomerang. But unfortunately, Snapchat does not have that capability. So I kind of found a little hack, a little trick to get around that on my own stories. So what I do, of course, I just open up my Snapchat and I will throw a cute little filter on this. Oh my god, so cute, it's a bunny. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna record a video. So do something cute and silly. It's not gonna give you a full-blown boomerang effect, but it's gonna give you something very similar. So I'm just gonna do something cute, very light, nothing intense. Then what you're gonna wanna do is throw that sucker in loop, because this is gonna give you the effect of a boomerang, a non-stop video that's just like a quick little motion, like a picture in a motion. Creating hacks all over the world. If you guys want a DIY boomerang, this is the effects. For my last and final Snapchat hack, I have definitely saved the best for last. This one's a little more complicated, so please get a pen and paper, pay attention, and open up your app so we can do this together. So this one's for those of you that want to be a little sneaky. You want to watch someone's story, but you don't want your name to pop up underneath their post that shows that, oh, so-and-so viewed your story, okay? This is for those of you that want to, I don't know, sip some tea, but you don't want them to know that you're sipping on the tea. So first and foremost, you want to go ahead and load the stories that you want to go ahead and watch. These stories obviously being the ones that you don't want your name to pop up underneath that it shows that you viewed it. So once I'm looking at the stories, I'll do a split screen because it's a little complicated. I'm going to go ahead and switch my phone into airplane mode, making sure that there's also no Wi-Fi, of course. And then I'll go back into the Snapchat app. This way I'm gonna go in and I can watch all the stories that I want and I can view them. Okay, cool, I know what everyone's doing. I feel like a creep, but you know what, it's all good. We undercover right now. Press and hold down the side button on the iPhone until you get the slide to power off. And we're not gonna slide to power off, but we're gonna press and hold on the home button down here at the bottom and wait until it kind of kicks us out. So you can see here it opened up Snapchat, so I'm gonna swipe that to clear it. Now I'm gonna go back into the Snapchat app after I've already canceled it out. And obviously I'm still offline right now, so I'm gonna go back in and turn my phone on to my Wi-Fi. And would you look at that? Every story is still there. It looks like that we have not even opened it. So that basically means that the people that you follow aren't going to know that you were creeping and watching their stories. So if you want to do a little sneak something, then this is something that you can do, but I just don't have the time for that. But maybe you have time for that. I just don't. But I mean, you know, so you can use it however you please. And that's it, dolls. Those are all of my Snapchat hacks that I use. If you want to use Snapchat a little bit more efficiently, you want to kind of step up your Snapchat game, then maybe these hacks will help you dolls out. Don't forget to, of course, follow me over on Snap. I have my Snaps open all of the time, so I'm constantly replying to you guys and seeing what you guys are up to, seeing your faces, meeting new people every day, so it's so much fun for me. So if you guys like videos like this and you want to see more videos like this, be sure to thumbs up, subscribe down below, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye!